Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to add integers. Let us look at an example here. In this example, we have more than two integer numbers to add. So we want to add these following numbers: -5 plus -7 plus -9 plus 10. So the way we want to simplify these types of problems is as follows. Step number 1. In here we're going to add the first two numbers. These are the first two numbers. So -5 plus -7 is going to be equal to -12. We're going to find the absolute value of -5, which is 5 units, absolute value of -7, which is 7 units. 5 plus 7 is going to be equal to 12, and we put the negative sign in front of it because both the numbers are negative numbers. And then we're going to continue the process. With -5 plus -7 is -12. We have some more numbers to bring down, and therefore -9 plus -9 plus 10. So we take the second set of numbers, two at a time, -12 plus -9. We take the absolute value of -12, which is 12 units. Absolute value of -9 is 9 units. So therefore 12 plus 9 is 21, and we're going to put the negative sign, attach the negative sign in front of it, because the absolute value of the largest absolute the sign for the largest absolute value is a negative sign. Therefore we put the negative sign there, and now we bring down the 10 which is left over. So therefore we continue the process till we have added all the numbers. So we have -21 plus 10. The absolute value of -21 is 21 units, and the absolute value of 10 is 10 units. So therefore 21, we're going to subtract the lower absolute value from the highest absolute value. 21 minus 10 is going to be equal to 11, and we're going to put the negative sign from the largest absolute value which we have, which is for which we have it for -21. So we put the negative sign for in here. Therefore this is our answer. This is where we want to leave it. So the simplified form, when we add these four numbers, -5 plus -7 plus -9 plus 10, when we take two numbers at a time, and when we simplify the process, we're going to get an answer equal to -11. So let us look at another example. What if we have an example of this nature? We want to evaluate an algebraic expression -x plus y when the value of x is equal to -12 and the value of y is equal to -3. So in this case, we're going to substitute the values of the given variables as the first step. -x plus y is the equation given to us. The expression came with a negative sign. The value of x takes on -12 like that, plus y, the value of y, when we substitute it, is equal to -3. So we need to simplify this process. Negative times negative is a positive 12, and then positive times a negative is a -3. So this is what we have, 12 minus 3. When we subtract 3 from 12, the answer is going to be equal to a positive 9. So this is our answer. This is step number 2. We simplified the process, and we have arrived at an answer which is equal to a positive 9. So when we have variable expressions, we want to be able to substitute the values of the variables given to us into the equation, and then it is a matter of simplifying it from the rules which we talked about. from the rules which we talked about. In my next presentation, we shall see how to subtract integers.